What's up, TAHDAH squad? Welcome to another installment of Cigar St. Sister Live. This is Freaky Friday, the last part of the series for now. And I thank you so much for being with me and rocking out with me. I really enjoyed the Oliva cigar in the tins. So freaking cool. So I'm going to take you on the last bit of the journey for Freaky Friday. And enjoy it. I really hope you enjoy it. Just a little up close and personal vibe. And that's just my love for taking you on the journey beyond the cigar. But there will be more cigars. So stay tuned. Hi everybody, this is BB, Cigar St. Sister, and welcome to Freaky Friday. Just left TJ Maxx, got the retail therapy that I needed, and I love the coloring of this video right now because the blood moon is coming, the sun is setting, so I am going to keep it moving in the caddy and then get something to eat. I want something to go. So it's been a really great day. Cigars, gifting to others and for myself, and then also retail therapy to get the skin in order, and then some stuff I probably didn't need. But anyway, rock with me on this Freaky Friday and more to come. So stay right here. TAHDAH squad! Okay, we're still looking for the moon. I'm on the streets rolling here, and I'm so excited to see it. I'll be really bummed if I don't see it, but I think we're gonna be okay either way. So stay tuned. I just love retail therapy, and that's my little crystal in the car that's just going. But I got some really great cigars that I'm gonna show you, so just stay close to the showcase and we'll just go from there. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm rolling through these Freaky Friday streets, and this red glare here is just so wild. But at any rate, it's kind of Freaky Friday, so I'll stick with it. So we're just rolling here a little bit. I didn't even call in mine to go order, but anyway, it's cool. Has anyone ever used the DoorDash and the Uber Eats? I was talking with a friend, and they have subscribed to the service, and then others have not. So I was just really curious about that. These darkened streets on a blood moon night. I don't know if I'm gonna use those services, but I think it's really cool for those who do. Haven't heard any bad press about that, so that's a good thing. Alright, we're gonna pick it up a little bit, and more to come, so stay locked in. I'm rolling. We're all rolling on Freaky Friday, and I'm glad that you all are rolling with me, TAHDAH squad. Okay, some more to come. Hold on. Alright, I made it to my destination. I gotta go in here and I gotta place my order and then come right back out. So, there you go. Let me go get my food. I'm always greedy. I'm like this little piglet. And then, also, my energy has been doing pretty good too. And that's with the red edition. Boy, I'm really killing it, right? With this blood moon weekend. Anyway, this is that Red Bull cranberry, so it's pretty good. Let's see, can I get some more lights? So it's pretty good. Nice taste. Red Bull. Shout out to Red Bull. I always keep these in my car, especially when I'm on the go. You might be a little sluggish, but they seem to be doing pretty good. This is the red edition. Alright, I'll be right back. Let me go pay my food order. What's up, everyone? Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. The first place wasn't really what I wanted, and I was like, you know what? Maybe better try like some Mexican. I haven't had Mexican food in a minute, so I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna order and get me some Mexican food. So I'll be right back. This is really good though. I'm indecisive. Usually I'm very decisive, so sometimes it's good to mix it up and be less decisive. So I got a little bit more light up in the SUV. So now once I get in there, I gotta figure out what Mexican dish I want. But yeah, it's been a really good day. And let me get another sip of getting me another sip of Red Bull and everything. So I'm gonna get the Mexican, and then still have those Freaky Friday Blue Moon vibes, and then also make sure that you come on back, TAHDAH Squad, and those visiting, because I'm gonna be showing some of the cigars that I got. And I went in. Okay, so let me get this Mexican food and I'll be right back. Okay, everybody, I am at the Mexican restaurant and I have ordered my food, so I'm pretty happy about that. It's gonna be like 5 or 10 minutes. I would sit down there, but then I thought about it and I was like, oh my god, girl, it could be some creepy crawlies, which is kind of crazy because you know, I'm an outdoors woman or something like that. But you know, when you're just kind of sitting down on stuff, you just never know. But anyway, I do love this style of food. Okay, I love Mexican food. It's so close to Cuban food, so there it is. Ooh, it is steaming out there, so it's still summer, so I don't care what you're talking about. And this fan feels really, really good in here. I would have some beer, but I gotta keep rolling. So yeah, all that self-care that, you know, I was talking about is so good to have, and not just for women but for men. So I gotta do a video for the men too. But you know, they have serums even for men, and the mist you can spray and stuff like that. So look at the sombreros. It doesn't make you unmanly, okay? Just take care and do self-care, and then spray a good bit of mist on your clothes and your hair so you can, you know, smell good as well. So I had a really lovely time, and I hope that you all really enjoyed the Freaky Friday with me. I can't wait to show you all the cigars that I got and everything. I'm going to put them in cute little gifts and stuff like that, so it's going to be really, really cool. I've been trying to avoid chicken as much as possible, which I know is crazy, but I do have a craving for my red meat. Oh, goodness, I got to do something with this, yeah. But that conditioner is going on tonight. So I'm excited, and I've been looking online too. I've been seeing a lot of cool stuff as far as with the lunar eclipse. So thank you to everybody who is in other countries, and you've been showing the love, and then NASA has been showing the love. So it's been really cool. I love these moments up close and personal. Hello, how are you? So I can't wait to get my food, and I'm gonna dive in, and then I'll just show you all some of that too, but that's after I get settled. And let me tell you something, I put that bronzer back because look, I just put it right there, right? It's more breezy than glowy, so I'm glad that I put that back, and so now I got like the Nors and stuff like that. So
Thank you, ma'am. I appreciate that.
because the Nors bronze you, I'd say put a little bit on my hand. See, that's regular, and then that's the bronze.
No, you have a wonderful
night.
night.
It's okay.
Yes, thank you, sir.
And it has a nice little smell. It just doesn't quite show the flakes, the gold flakes in there. So put it back. I really could have had a margarita too, now that I think about it. But that means I would have had to really suck it down, and you don't want to rush that kind of experience. Oh yeah, you know, I was at the beach and I was in the cigar store and I met somebody who just came from the beach, and they said that they had the water sprout, which was really crazy because I wish I would have seen that. They said that it came up so close to the shore that they had to tell people to kind of move back off the beach. And you know, usually you see that kind of stuff for the Weather Channel, so that was pretty freaky. Okay, so a lot of stuff leading up to Freaky Friday that's really freaky. Well, this is why I love Mexican restaurants. They had the lime margarita for $2.99 from 4 to 7. Ooh, can you imagine bringing about a good 20 bucks up in here and have a good old time? Oh, that's me. All right, thank you so much, and I'll be back. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Okay, everybody, I got my food. That was cool. That was quick. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to have that, and it's going to be cool. So anyway, I'm logging off, and more to come. When I come back for the next upload for Cigar St. Sister Live TAHDAH Squad, I'm going to show you the cigars. I'm going to be really comfy by then. Okay, toodles. TAHDAH Squad. That was so cool. My Mexican food was delicious, and then I could not resist because I have several tins of the Oliva. I had another Oliva for the nightcap. But wait a minute, it's Saturday coming, and I'm going to take you on another journey with some more cigars. So TAHDAH Squad, come on and hang with me. I'm BB, Cigar St. Sister, and you're at Cigar St. Sister Live. See ya!